Hey y'all, welcome to tonight's What's for Dinner. I'm actually starting this at around 11 o'clock. I'm going to be making a potato soup recipe. It's supposed to get really cold. I thought we were done with all this cold winter weather, but apparently we're not. So I figured I would make some potato soup the easy way. So I'm using a 2-pound bag of just hash brown potatoes. Then we're going to use a 32-ounce container of chicken broth. We got 1 can of cream of chicken, and I have this cream of chicken with herbs. So we're going to try this one out. Try to get it to come out of here. I like to try to get as much as I can out. I'm going to use an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. There we go. Okay, next we're going to put, this is probably about a cup or so, it doesn't matter if it's a little more, shredded cheddar cheese. Then a package of ranch dressing mix, or ranch seasoning mix, sorry. And then I don't have a completely full package of real bacon pieces, so I'm going to use what I have. And then later I will probably fry up some bacon because we like to top our potato soup with more bacon. So I'll just put what I have in there. And now I'm going to stir this up. Just kind of mix it together as good as I can, I guess. Put a little salt and pepper in here too. I know we already have the seasoning from the ranch, but we'll put a little bit of salt, and then I like a lot of pepper. So, and we're going to cook this on low for like maybe 7-8 hours. I finally bought a new crock pot, y'all. I got the beautiful crock pot from Walmart. It's a lot bigger than my old one, and it's like digital, all fancy. So we're just gonna have it on low. Oops, there. I'm gonna do it for 8 hours. There you go. See y'all later. Okay, y'all, I have stirred this up. I should have broke the cream cheese into blocks so it would have melted a little better, but it was still fine. So I've got it all mixed up, and I'm going to give y'all a quick overview of the table. We made some bacon. I made some of the cheddar biscuits, the Red Lobster kind, and we're going to give it a good taste, see how we like it. Peyton, it's been a while. Tell me how you like the food or not.
It's good and hot.
I know, it is. Adrian, do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Dad likes this bacon. Okay, let's see. Oh, 2 thumbs up, yay. And I say it's good. Courtney's not home from work yet, so I'm pretty sure she'll like it. Peyton says hi again. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome to tonight's What's for Dinner. We're going to be making hamburger steaks. So I've got about 2 pounds of ground beef, and I went ahead and I ran it through my meat grinder because the place where we had our meat processed this last time did not grind up the ground beef very good. So anyways, I was going to chop up some onions, but instead I'm going to use some minced onions. So we're just going to kind of, let me open this up so I get a little more. Just going to kind of sprinkle some in there. We're also going to use some onion powder and garlic powder, however much you think you want. Here's the garlic. And then I'm also going to put in this, it's Weber Gourmet Burger seasoning. Oh, it sounded kind of good when I was looking for something to put in here. So we're just going to kind of sprinkle some of that in there. And then I'm going to put some panko breadcrumbs. I'm just going to kind of guess. I don't know. That might have been about 1/4 of a cup, I'm not sure. And then we're gonna put in some of this Worcestershire. Am I saying it better, y'all? Just kind of guesstimate. And then I'm using my hands, so this way too I can get a feel for how much, if I need to put more breadcrumbs, because I don't want it too dry, but I don't want it too wet either. So I may throw some more seasoning in here. Sometimes this is kind of you just kind of have to play it by how it feels. I'm gonna throw a little bit more of this in there, and then I'm gonna throw some more of this burger seasoning. This stuff smells really good. Okay, and I thought about browning my patties first, but I didn't want to do the extra step. I don't know that it'll make that big of a difference, so I'm just going to put these straight into a baking dish. We're gonna bake these in the oven. Sometimes I cook them on top of the stove, but today I'm gonna do that. So I've got my oven over here preheating to 350, and I think this feels pretty good. So I'm gonna get a baking dish. All right, I've got a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of this non-stick cooking spray just because. I don't know if you necessarily have to. But I'm going to start out with, I don't know, a ball about this size, and we're gonna make little patties out of them. Try my best to keep them all about the same, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm kind of making these, not like a perfect circle, I don't know, maybe sort of like an oval. Not that that matters, but in case you're wondering, I'm doing this on purpose. Trying to make them more of like an oval shape. I'm gonna make these a little, those two might be a little bit, take a little off of those. They're a little bit bigger, so I can try to make sure I have enough to make like 10 of these. Which for us would be enough for like 2 a piece if you want. Next, I'm gonna make up some gravy. I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do that. Okay, y'all, the next thing we're gonna do is I have a can of cream of mushroom soup, and we're going to put it in this container here and just save that can. And then I didn't have brown gravy, but I'm gonna use all juice, or however you say that. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but you know what I'm talking about. Oops. Put that in there. And then I have a package of the Lipton onion soup mix. I'm going to use a package of that. And I'm going to take this can and we're going to get a can of water. And I'm going to use a little, I'm going to use this little whisk. So I'm just going to get, okay, we're going to mix this up real good. And now we're going to pour this over our hamburger steaks. Okay, and now we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna bake it around, let's see, I have it at 350. We're gonna start about 45 minutes and see how it is, because we're gonna cook it between 45 minutes to an hour, but I'll let you know how long exactly I cook it. Hey y'all, I'm also going to be making tonight some zucchini in the air fryer. I have never made this that I can think of, so I am going to, I just washed this zucchini and we're just going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it again, maybe straighter than what I just did, because you're going to want to make kind of like bite-sized pieces. I didn't cut it very evenly, can you tell? I'm gonna go get some olive oil and some seasonings. Okay, now we're gonna put some olive oil over it. I don't know if that's about a teaspoon, tablespoon. I don't know. And we're just gonna go ahead and coat all this so that our seasonings will stick. And we will start out with some onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, some paprika, some salt, and just measure with your heart, and some pepper. Let's toss all that in there together. I think that looks good. And I have like an air fryer oven, so I'll put all this in this basket here. Try to spread it out evenly. And it says to cook it for in the air fryer for about 380 for about 9 minutes. So we will do that, and I'll let y'all know how it turns out. I'm just trying to spread it out as evenly as I can. And you want to cook it till it's golden brown. That's what we're gonna try and do. Try our best to make sure they're all kind of spread out, not on top of each other. And we'll see if the kids eat these. Courtney might. I don't know about Peyton or Adrian. We'll see. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, we got the hamburger steaks done. There's the zucchini. I went ahead and made some mac and cheese and real mashed potatoes. So we're gonna sit down and give it a try. All right, we're gonna start with Peyton again.
Always.
How did you like the food?
It was really good. I really liked the mac and cheese, and the zucchini was good.
Oh, well, good. We got this Walmart brand artisan mac and cheese, some 5 Italian cheese. All right, Courtney.
Good.
Good. Adrian just came in, so he hasn't really tried it yet, so I can't. Have you ate the meat yet? Yeah, give it a try. He likes the mac and cheese though. I think it turned out good. Let's see what you think. Good? All right. And my husband isn't back yet, so